How to create Pinterest account. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Pipin Bisnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can create Pinterest account. Now, in order to create a Pinterest account, you can simply go ahead and download the Pinterest application first. Once you download it, you can open it up and head over to the login or sign in page. Now here, if you already have an account, you can simply tap on particular login method and then select your account and login. If you don't have one, in order to create, you can simply tap on email address and then enter in your email address here, tap on continue, and then create a password and enter your age. Now, if you want to keep it short, then even if you don't have an account, you can simply tap on continue with Facebook or continue with Google and then select a particular account to log in or create Pinterest account, and it'll just log you in real quick. Now I'll just log in real quick. I already have an account, however I haven't set my account up. Now, so once you have logged in, you can see it'll log you in directly. It might ask you to create a password and enter your age, so you'll have to do so. But then at the bottom of your screen, at the bottom right, you'll get your profile icon. You can see the B. You want to tap on it. Once you tap on it here, now you can tap on edit profile, and then you can go ahead and enter in all the other details and set your account up. So this is the way that you can create Pinterest account. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.